Hi, I'm Jim Ballard, owner of Wwphx. Let's talk entry doors. On entry doors, the most secure part of that door is going to be your frame. At Wwphx, we start with a full composite jamb. This is not no normal finger joint jamb. This jamb is 10 times stronger than a regular finger joint pine jamb. Also with this jamb, you can get it in various widths that custom fit to your home. Most doors here in Phoenix are not a standard door width, so going to a big box store, you're not going to get a door that's going to fit your home exclusively. Along with our full composite jamb, we also offer a full line of Therma-Tru products. A full catalog from Classic Craft, Fiber Classic, Smooth Star, and even our new Pulse line. We have doors that can be custom made right here in the Phoenix market that will fit all your door needs. From French doors to multi-doors, 8-foot tall doors, we do it all. These doors also will come with ball bearing hinges. For the most secure locking system for your door, Therma-Tru offers a multi-point locking system. This option will also allow the door to actually secure it at the top, bottom, and with the deadbolt and the handle in the middle. So it's giving you a 4-point locking mechanism. It's also locking the top and the bottom, which is not just focusing on the center of the door where your normal deadbolt and handle set is. All of our doors will have a bulb type weather stripping. This gives you less air infiltration through the door. Along with all the many styles of doors, we also have many glass options available, all custom made to your needs.